YouTube. Here's an update. Got a bit more done. Well, I've got these walls on, attached. A bit of an electrical system going on. A bit of a frame around the window. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I'm not a perfectionist. Yeah, so it's rough. It's rough and ready. And unfortunately, we have a rotten floor. I could tell it was a bit rotten underneath. I was just going to treat it with a bit of epoxy, but it goes right down the side. So I'm going to cut that bit out. I'm not doing the whole floor. I'm just going to cut that bit out, marry a bit in there, along to there, just up past that door. And that'll do it, because it's got a lip here, so I've got to put another piece of ply on there anyway, so it's going to have, so it's this floor here. And then it's going to have another piece over top, so it levels it up to here, to that bit. And then it's going to have another sheet that's going to have insulation, 20mm insulation. And another sheet of plywood over top of the insulation. Yeah. So it's going to be well insulated. Got my temporary electrical system going on here. It's a bit of a bodgy, but it's working. With the battery charger, inverter, charge controller, which I'm going to move up there somewhere. So I've got to put the hole in the wrong place. It needs to go further in here, so I can run the cable down the back of that. And yeah, I'm going to do the roof as well with the ply. So I'm going to make a plywood box basically. There. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that window, even though it's not the correct way of doing it. I just bodged it up, and that's good enough. Just use the nail gun to put the frame around there. Eyeballed it. So what's next? Next is I've got to get some more ply and carry on doing. I'm going to do the roof up to about here. So yeah, because I want this part. I want this front part finished so I can have an area that's finished. Then do down the sides, but I've just got too much shit. There's too much stuff. Yeah, so that's it. Cut that out. What's today? It's Monday. Monday 28th. yeah. Back to work tomorrow. And then 3 days work and then another 4 days off. So I'll get some more done. But yeah, I'll get some more plywood this week. And try not to buy too much plywood because what usually happens is I end up with all these off-cut bits and yeah, it's just a waste. Anyway, that's it. Over and out.